is a wooden paper towel holder. You could put that on the wall or, you know, like under a cabinet. Absolutely adds cart, and I love the colors. Perfect dark brown. Oh, look at this hat with the scalloped edges. I don't know, it's kind of dirty, and this is kind of floppy, but I'm gonna put it in my cart and think about it. This is a wooden sign that was hanging up. I love the wood. Ooh, this side is solid, so I could turn it into my own sign. Add to cart. I'm not sure if this is a jewelry holder or cup holder, but I'm thinking it'd be a cute ornament holder or possibly a tiny teacup holder, and I could just paint it whatever color. Okay, I saw this. I don't know what this is, y'all. There's a spoon on one side and then this thing on the other side. Do y'all know what this is for? I just noticed they're going to be changing out this wall, so that is exciting. I know it looks totally empty in here, but it is not. They just brought out a new bin, so I should probably go dig over there. I did not find too much in that new bin. I just got a clear tote to help organize my stuff in the warehouse, and I also found a snowsuit. It's been a while since I found one of these. These are overalls, women's medium, so they would fit either me or Ryan. We're gonna be so prepared for the snow this year. Oh shoot, I got distracted digging in all the blue bins. I didn't even notice they refilled this wall. Let's go dig. There's a bunch of picture frames. Oh, I know exactly what this is. It's to put yarn around. I think when you're crocheting. I actually want to try to make one of these. I love that. I'm gonna get that. And this looks like some frames I already have in my house because it has all of the colors I love. The dark brown, the black, and then a hint of gold. Oh, look at this rusty gold frame. I love it. And it looks longer. You know what I mean? It doesn't look like a normal size. All right, add to my pile. What about this little guy? Is he missing a leg? He is. I feel like we still need to rescue him though. He's so cute. All right, what else is in this bin? All right, I found a few more things on this wall changeover, so let me show y'all what I got. This bird, he is not cement, I think it's ceramic, and shockingly there's no major chips, but he absolutely needs a paint job, so we'll give him a makeover. I love these gold and glass frames in my house, but I don't know, I'm noticing this one has a lot of scratches, so I'll probably put that back. You just put a picture right in the middle and it sits. It's just very clean and pretty. Oh, this just holds a card or something. Oh, I might need that for a piece of ephemera. And this too, this is just gonna go in my stash. I can make a little vignette in it. It's brass, it's cute. It got a little bit of rust. Ooh, rusty gold. This might look good in my house too. So yeah, not too much more stuff. Hopefully they change out the walls again, but they have been bringing out the big blue bins pretty quickly, but they are literally filled with just junk. So they all look like this where they're full, but as you can see, it's an old rug, a camcorder case. There's always a giant stuffed bear, totes, just things that nobody's interested in. I feel like maybe somebody put this up here for me. Little teeny tiny pictures, glossy white, adorable. All of these are coming home with me. Oh, what about this cutie? We should rescue him too. And then here's a whole bag of buttons. All right, we're gonna rescue that too. I just found this shelf in a bin, and I bet all those little mini things were in here. This amber glass jar was in here. I'm gonna get it. But I think this came out of something, so the bottom's kind of rounded. But with minis being so popular, I definitely need to get this. It would be cute to have a bunch of little bottles and some greenery. I think it needs a paint job though, or sand and distress it. That would look good. I wonder if these are spode. No, but it says made in England. All right, well, I'm gonna get both of these, and I see a pretty bottle hiding over here. What does that say? Does it say Yellowstone? No, it does not. It says fellow chemist. I don't know. It's cool. I'm getting it. I cannot make out what it says. If you know what it says, let me know. This is a men's shirt, but if it was a small, I would absolutely love it. The fabric isn't flannel. It's like thick, and I don't know, it just feels really nice. And then it has the elbow patches. I'm gonna get it. Oh look, there's a stain right there, probably from this bleeding. I'm gonna get it because I love the fabric, love the pattern, and I'm gonna put it in my DIY stash. I've been collecting some fall flannels. I just organized my whole cart in case I was ready to check out, but look what's happening. They are changing out the wall. I think somebody's been watching us the whole time we've been here. What are you doing on the ground right there? Look at him. He needs a bath. Look at his little feet. Oh my gosh, look at his face. Okay, I have to get him. He's just too cute to leave here. Look at this, an entire bin of these. It looks like maybe they were brown and somebody painted them gold. These are metal. I think I'm just gonna get the gold wood ones. Well, we don't have the place ourselves anymore. I found something very exciting. Look, my favorite white platter and my favorite pattern. It does have a chip. No, that's not a chip. That's just a little stain. It doesn't matter. If it has chip, stain, whatever, always get them. Oh, this is a little toy umbrella. I thought Ren would like that for her babies or her Barbie dolls. I found not one, but 3 of these beautiful brass candlesticks, and they are very heavy. It says made in England. Those are gorgeous. See, I got 2, and then there's a 3rd one somewhere in here. There it is. 3 of these, y'all. This is not older, but it's a very pretty mug, so I'll probably put that in a vignette or something in the spring. Look at this broom. We gotta help it out, give it a little Halloween DIY, and I got 3 of these succulents. Actually, those would be perfect to put in little cups. And I think that's it, just 3 of those. But something exciting is happening. They're changing out that wall. So we just did this one, and now they're about to do that one. Look what I just found. So soft, beautiful, dusty blue color. And look at this, Pottery Barn Team. Still has the tags on it, so it is a cloud beanbag slipcover. I was thinking about this for Ryan's room, but I just remember we put that desk in her room, so she doesn't have room for a beanbag chair. But I just looked these up, and they sell for a lot of money online, so I'm gonna get it and resell it. All right, they are almost done refilling the wall, and then I think I'm gonna head home. You gotta stand behind the yellow line and wait, but I do see something I want. Do y'all see that gold frame in there? I think it has like 8 sides or something. I haven't found one of those in forever. And then that frame looks gold and black, something I might like. All right, let's see if we can see in more bins. Those all look kind of junky. Everybody's standing down there. I'm gonna wait right here. What's in this one? Can y'all see? I don't want to get yelled at. I gotta stay behind the yellow line. All right, one more bin, and then I think oh yes, let's go. Yes, coming home with me. Okay, it's not gold, it's black and wood. Still pretty. Ooh, somebody must have threw this back. This is beautiful. Look at this chunky frame, and this is not a print. This is painted and signed. I love it. Absolute add to cart. Also, that's all we got was this. The rest of the bins was just all plastic and just junk. But I did get this. It's a high visibility overalls. I swear every year for homecoming there's a construction dress up day, so I got that for the kids to have. What is this? Oh, this is pretty. It is very heavy silver cloche, not cloche, base, and then maybe a cloche one over it. I don't know. This would be so pretty, just styled on a coffee table, and then you can make a little vignette on top. Okay, well, add that to the cart. Now they just brought out these bins, so let me go see if there's anything good. Wow, they're almost empty. All right, the checkout line just went down, so I am hurrying over and I'm gonna go check out before it gets long because I had enough. I am pooped. I got this book for Brandon. I thought he would like it. It is a graphic novel about a cat. So cute. So I will let y'all know what I spent on this cart full of goodies. Y'all let me know what is y'all favorite. I can't even get under this beanbag cover. Let me know what's your favorite thing that I got today. And of course, I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.